place for a bird to be, especially in Australia, where there are lots of really dangerous things that are down on the ground. Snakes and spiders and all sorts of things that might be quite deadly. But the ground is where Wally finds his most favourite food. Because he is a galah, he is a grass seed-eating parrot. These guys love to eat seeds and shoots of grass, and so they are quite happy to have had us humans around because we spread grass wherever we go, we make fields and sports and all sorts of lovely things, and